All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the seats flat so you can have more cargo space inside of the vehicle, as well as how to move the middle seats up so you can allow people to get into the rear of the vehicle. I'm going to go over both of those with you in this video. All right, so stay tuned. There's a couple of different ways on how to do this. I'm going to go over all of them. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I am in the rear of the vehicle, okay, the second row, and there's a third row back there. In order to allow people to get back there, it's one way on a couple of ways that you could do to get the people back there. There's another way. You could use this seat to lay down flat so you can have more cargo space. The first thing I'm gonna do is, how can people get back there? Some people just climb back here and go back there. But if you want them to just be able to step in there, you can come up here and there is a button to press. I'm gonna press this and look at that. It scoots forward, allows people to access the back. And when you're done, you just simply take this and push it back. And if it's not back far enough, there is a mechanism right here. Just pull that, let it go and lock into place, all right? Now, there's another way. There's a button right here. Press that, and it does the exact same thing. Go ahead and put it back into place. Slide it back there, and you can make adjustments when the person is sitting back there to actually have this recline a little bit by using this lever. But with that being said, this lever down here does something totally different. And now I'm going to show you how to lay down both of these seats so you can have more cargo space. Now to do that, you're going to be up here. This is one way you can do it. You can go ahead and do this, pull this lever up, and it lays down flat for more cargo space. And you can go to the other side of the vehicle and do the same thing. Now watch this. All right, so it lays them flat so you have more cargo space. So that's one way to lay down the middle seat. There's another way that you can lay them down, and I'm gonna go over that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. I just simply pulled this lever and then pulled the seat back up on that side. Let me do the other side. And then I'll go to the other way of how to lay down the seats. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead right here. Now, if the seats don't fall all the way forward, you might have to scoot up some of the front seats. Now, I'm gonna go to the second way on how to do it. I'm gonna go to the back of the vehicle. Now, you see at the back of the vehicle, there's a lot going on. There's these seats right here. Headrests are actually folded down, which is good for laying it down flat. Make sure that these are laid down. Come right here, look at this. There's buttons right here. There's left and right. I'm gonna do both of them. Left at first, pressed it, look, it fell down. The right, look, fell down too. Now, for the rear, I'm just gonna come up here and there's this little pulley system right here. I'm gonna pull it and let it fall forward. Pull it, and you may need to push it forward, and it's down like that. Now look, all this cargo space right here that you have because you laid down the seats. Now when you're done, what you want to do is take the same lever, pull it towards you, pull the seat back until it locks into place, and do the exact same thing on this side. And then go over to the side where we had the first one. Go ahead, pull this lever, lock into place. Go ahead and shut this door right here. Boom. And then come onto this side, pull that, and look at that. And that is how you lay down the rear seats for more cargo space and the middle seats for more cargo space, as well as move the middle seat up so you can have passengers get in. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.